y'all! Welcome to my channel. My name is Carrie Blue Sky and I'm a Southern Gothic makeup artist based out of the DFW area. Went on a little bit of a break. Now I'm back and ready to rock. Today I'm going to keep it simple and do a purple look for y'all. So let's go ahead and get started and make sure you hit the button below to see new content. Take this damn thing off. Bit hot for all that. Yeah, I took a little break. Let's be honest, I shut the whole thing down. It's kind of backfired on me because I got a little bit lazy. Gonna break out the Midnight Chaos palette because I haven't used it in a while. Plus, my kid straight up cried when I stopped, so... And honestly, I just missed hanging out with y'all. You know, it gets me outside of real life once in a while. Be right back, my battery's about to die.
Low battery.
Crisis averted. Now I'm just cutting the crease with my purple cream primer from Beauty Creations. This stuff came out the tube, watery as hell. So if y'all ever buy this, make sure you shake it up first. Even though I haven't been active on here though, I've still been watching videos so I can keep up with everything that's going on. And I even managed to find some decent products for my hair, so hopefully I can get it back to a healthy state. I'll probably end up doing a wash day video for y'all soon. Everything I'm using now has changed my hair completely. Alright y'all, my OG subscribers know what time it is, and today we have the Lotus Eater lashes from Penelope's Tears, so I'm gonna go throw these on and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, I am back. I really need to get some more of these lashes because I just love the drama they give me. These gotten kind of tight since I have a car payment now, so I'm having to be conservative when it comes to buying stuff. That's the sucky part about being an adult. I haven't even looked up the Halloween decor that's out this year. Way too much temptation. But if I happen to come across some extra money, then I'm definitely going to try to snag a few things. Now for some powder.
It's powdered sugar. It's delicious.
Really one of the coolest things that I think has happened is my kid got her first tooth extracted. Normally, of course, I'd wait for it to come out on its own. The dentist said it wasn't coming out and the adult tooth was right underneath, so... But the funniest part of all is that it's comically bigger than her other baby teeth. I mean, it's a molar, so that makes perfect sense. I'm thinking about making a ring or something out of the tooth, I don't know. Comment down below if y'all have any suggestions. I thought about doing a purple lipstick, because I have like 5, I have like 3, but... But I figured black would be a nice contrast, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Alright y'all, so here's the finished look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe too. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.